Hello, guys. Good morning. It's actually good afternoon. Hope you're all well. And it's the long weekend in Canada, and we have an off on Monday. That's tomorrow because it's Labor Day, and that's why I'm here at Harbourfront. This is Harbourfront, I guess. I'm here to view the air show. I really love air shows since I was a kid, so I think it's going to be an amazing day today because there'll be fighter jets up in the air. And I didn't get to view this last year because I was not in town, but this year I decided that I had to come. I have my friend here. Say hi. And some other friends are joining us in a couple of minutes. They're not here yet. It's 1 p.m. now. This began at 12:30, but I think it is in full fledged right now. So we'll go get a nice seat and watch it. Come along. Everyone has picked all the good spots. I don't know what we could end up getting, but I think we should go on the other side towards the beach, and those spots seem like there would be an unobstructed view. So you guys can see this. The road name is British Columbia. British Columbia is another province altogether, but I don't know why they used it. So I think they ran out of names, so they just used whatever they could find. This is the Liberty Grand. So I remember we had this air show back in Mumbai. I think many years ago when I was probably in school, and it was amazing. Everyone was on their terraces watching that air show. So this kind of reminds me of that. I think the Indian Air Force was celebrating some milestone at that point, and it was one of the best I've watched. So let me see how this one is, and if it's better than that. But obviously it's been many years for that, so with development it should be better, but let's see. Going on the other side of the street, this is exhibition place, and once the other friends come in, we'll meet them on the other side, and I'm excited. Let's see.
The other one is based in the United Kingdom. It's dedicated to the memory of Andrew Minarski and is referred to as the Minarski Memorial Lancaster from the right.
Wow. So all the jets are coming from this side. They're coming from the right. So guys, we got a very good seat, front row seat, you can see. It's getting gloomy again, so that's why I have some kombucha here, which will cool us down. So this is the greenhouse kombucha, and it's grapefruit. The flavor is grapefruit. I have my eyes on the ice cream cart, but the queue is too long. It's really calming to be seated here. I think it's better to be outdoors during summer than to be home and not enjoy the natural habitat. So that's why. So it's the natural habitat of the birds and the raccoons and what else? Squirrels. It's nice to come out, watch them, listen to the sound of the birds here. And yeah, I think it's definitely better than being home and watching TV. Because during winter, that's all you have to do. You have to like be indoors, watch movies, go to restaurants, and those are all like indoors. So at this point of time, if you go out, you can enjoy patios and parks. So this season will come to an end soon. It's better to just enjoy some of it now while it lasts. If you guys can see, today I look like this, not the traffic signal, but because I'm very famous. The friend is here. Say hi.
Hi.
And one more is supposed to come, one or two, I don't know. So we'll wait for them. I think one. The other one didn't turn up. So now we'll go just watch the end of it. And looking lovely.
Сколько попадешь? Я думал, он собирает воду.
Не, после демонстрации должен уже сесть на воду.
They did all that. They come later and get to see good stuff. So guys, this was quite an amazing show, and I'm so happy I got to see it. It's so cool to watch all these fighter jets up in the air. I don't know if it's very clearly visible on my camera, but in person it is an amazing view. It's like these cool fighter jets all up in the air. You don't get to see these otherwise, like they are not commercial, so these are the ones that they fly only during this time, so it's pretty cool to watch this. Wow. So sexy. Yeah. Wow, this was good. I don't know when I see it. Wow. Alpine Beach just to chill. It's still warm, but then by the time we are there, it'll be like sunset. I hope so. Hey guys, so we are now waiting for our cab to get to a restaurant. The name is Leela Food and Bar and Grill, something like that. So we'll go see what we get there. Probably have some biryani and lamb kebab or something on those lines, and then we'll head to the beach because everyone's really hungry, and I'm super parched. So once I eat, I should feel like I'm in good spirits. So let's head to Leela. It's not the Leela, it's just Leela. When someone says Leela, it reminds me of the hotel back home, but this one is just Leela Food and Bar and Grill. Let's see how it goes. Pretty nice. The ambience is beautiful, and but let's see how the food is. Hey guys, so now we are done with our lunch and dinner, whatever you call it. It was like almost 6 o'clock. So the food was nice, pretty nice, amazing. The chicken 65 was really good. The main course was pretty good too. So now we are heading to the beach. This is the Indian street, which is why you see like lehengas and kurtis and all of that. So there are a lot of stores here that have these kind of clothes in cases of like emergencies during the festive season. It's a good place to get stuff from. There are mangoes here, but they're Mexican, and my favorite fruits, lychee and papaya. Feels like I'm walking in Mumbai. All of this is for $25. A bit tacky, but not bad. The sun is almost setting, and a lot of people are here having fun. So let's go sit by the waters. Maybe we'll take a dip for a few minutes. I'm not very keen on doing that today, but the rest will. So let's go enjoy the water side. The last few days of having beach weather. The water is cold, but it's okay, it's manageable, so I'll go in a bit. So guys, it's a beautiful sundowner now, and everything looks really lovely with the sun going down and the shades of the sky changing. So here it is. these are essentially lakes, which is why it's not so much fun like the beaches back in other places like Goa and Mumbai and all of that. These are like lakes, so it's kind of, the beach doesn't feel the water is like really shallow. I'm pretty short and it didn't come up to even my thigh. It came up to my knee, or I think calf. So because the water is so shallow, it's not a lot of fun. So we're going to have a nice picnic, and then I'll see you all again. Cotton candy skies are in full exhibit now, and this is my most favorite part of being at the beach. Gorgeous. I love when there's this hue of pink and purple and white in the sky, and it really looks so lovely, and it's really beautiful to watch at this hour when the sun sets. And yeah, it's nice. I'm really enjoying it. So guys, it was a beautiful day at the beach, and we spent a lovely Sunday outdoors. For now, we're going to head home. We had all our picnic foods, took a dip into the water, and it's now getting colder. It's chilly because now there's breeze blowing, like cool breeze, and after taking a dip, it just gets colder to tolerate. So we're going to go home and enjoy the rest of our evening. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and see you next time. Bye bye.